we are flying business class to the Philippines.
Unbelievably, my favorite part of the flight is actually takeoff. I've not had much sleep in the past 48 hours, so there is turbulence. Oh my gosh. We were unable to get vacancy at the hotel. Said there was no vacancy as soon as I got there.
Alright, Christiane's parents are picking us up right now. The rain is torrential.
Top of the morning to you. We are here in Baguio City. Today marks a new day. Tagging you guys along today. Drop by a couple places, see how the day unfolds. But at the same time, bring you guys along to my humble beginnings. Check this out real quick. Look at this view. This is the view from Christiane's room. I usually have my drone with me, but I did not want to bring my drone this time around because it was way more luggage than what I wanted to bring with me. So next time, here we are. I'm now with the wife right there. She's actually headed to duty, like I said, duty. But she's heading to work, and the place she's working is actually where I went to college, which is Pine City Colleges in Baguio City, Philippines. Dropping her off, and then I gotta go take care of some stuff this morning. I gotta go see the mother-in-law. I gotta drop some stuff off at... Yeah, I know. It's on my list. I will catch you once we get to where we need to go, but gosh, it's a good thing Christiane has a car. A lot of people waiting for transportation right now.
We serve hot drinks in here for men who want to get drunk fast.
I don't know if you guys can see right here. This is where I went to college. Pine City Colleges. Right there. Yeah. I used to walk these streets when I was in college. I used to pick up Christiane right there. And then right here to the right of me is actually University of Baguio City. When I used to breakdance, that's where I used to hang out. This big ass building right here. Some things don't change, especially traffic. Traffic's just terrible in Southeast Asia. Alright, so I just got done dropping off money at my mother-in-law. Now I have to walk all the way to where my parents are from. It's gonna take about a 15-minute walk, so I'll show you guys the sights along the way. Alright, to the right here, you got Session Road, which is basically the boulevard of Baguio City. And up here on that hill right there, you got SM City Baguio, which is basically the main mall here in Baguio City. Here is a closer look at SM City Baguio. I used to hang out here a lot. Thank God that I work out on a regular basis at Rock and I do cardio, because I have clearly underestimated the hills that I just hiked. The area which we are entering now is called Marcoville, and this is where my parents kind of grew up. My mom specifically. Very humbling to see this, because need I remind you, our family came from rags, and it's just humbling to see this. Here is a really small alley to the right. Oh my gosh, they have cats. Hey. Give me one. Look at me. She's so cute. It's kind of like an Airbnb type where they're from. So this is called like a transit house where people come in and just like sleep overnight. And basically, they stay here whenever they are in Baguio City. So they made a place very comfortable for themselves. We recently expanded on the veranda right here, which I think is pretty awesome. Look at this right here. It's all gated. Literally, like I mentioned, like it came from the ground up. So I'm tagging you guys along. I have to go take care of a couple things here shortly, but I'm just gonna rest for a bit. I'm looking around this room and I'm just taking it in only because before this, I hate to say, like the living conditions in the Philippines when you have no money is like close to non-livable conditions. And the fact that my parents worked hard in the States, because my dad is a US Navy retiree and used his money to basically renew a living standard, not only for himself and my mom, but also for his siblings and our relatives. It astounds me. It just means, for me, I'm a very religious person, and the fact that I know that God has a play in this, it's astounding, is what it is.
But I don't know what.
Wow, this is dope. So my wife and I and her family are at a place called Alaya Resorts. By what? By Dabu. Daco. But check this out. This is really dope. It's like a tent, and that's sick. So I ended up getting like 2 tents, one for the parents and then for the kids, and then got a restroom right here, place to clean up, and a pooper. This is the nephew. What's your name?
Caleb.
Your name is Caleb. Menace to society.
No.
So I was wrong, 100% wrong. I was really hyped up about the other spot. Turns out that's where my in-laws and Christiane's sister and brother-in-law and the kids are staying. We ended up staying in this glamorous tent with no restroom. I'll show you real quick. It's a really quick tour. Literally on the outside, it's a zip up. I mean, that's the back side right there. At least we have AC, because I probably would have went to a Best Western to try to convince her. Right here to the left side, we got this. Literally not much going on here. Here, let's take a look. We got, they gave us toothbrushes. That's cool, I guess. There is a blow dryer, and what's at the bottom? Looks like there's something for your clothes. But I mean, there's a safe in there. I mean, you can keep stuff safe if you need to. That doesn't even open up. But as you can tell, it's pretty cramped in here. Look at this. You can put your clothes on
It's
that.
like social but 10th level.
It's a good thing we didn't bring like a whole bunch of stuff over here for the night, because me and her always talk about camping, but we didn't know it was gonna be this quick. So now we're
Ready.
This basically glamping is what it is. As for us to shower, we have to go over to our in-laws.
No, we have communal showers.
Yeah, there's communal showers, but I think the last thing I want to see is another man's dog. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys in the morning, and we'll go get showered and get some sleep, because it's already pushing 2300. See ya! The wife and I ended up sleeping in the main tent because we just couldn't do the small tent. Like, it was not getting cold. It was like a fan. Oh, and it was uncomfortable. But if we were glamping, then maybe. But we're here to relax, so we're heading out to go get breakfast now. Right, Caleb?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes. Well, you see.
Look at that beauty right there.
Hello!
Hi, Camille.
Welcome to the Philippines. Genesis.
So I have a question, Caleb. Why are you so bad?
I don't know.
Why are you so makulit?
I don't know. I don't know.
You have to tell people. Why are you makulit?
I don't know. I don't know.
Why are you pasaway?
I don't know. Ito dyan! Ang pinwag. Ang the toy is kulit. Breakfast. Babe.
Sino yung things ako?
Ba't ka makulit?
I don't know.
Ba't ka makulit, boy?
I don't know. It's because I was born to be kulit.
I'm gonna rip his nose off.
No.
Boy makulit. This vlog is called Ripping Caleb's Nose Off. This is the thumbnail. Alright, so we're headed to breakfast right now. Right there.
Oh, can I see it right now?
Right there, breakfast.
So after breakfast,
Alright, so we're gonna go get some food real quick. Dude, I got some taho right here. This is what we got for breakfast. Fried rice, some steak.
Tito, you know I put marshmallows, milk, coconut, Oreos, and the steak.
You don't want rice?
No.
You guys want to see a headache? Right there. Right here, you, right there. We are headed to the pool. No, this is not waterproof.
Swimming now, I wanna go right in your back. Right, you said you're going to
We're headed to the pool. It is officially the surface of the sun here in La Union, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some sunblock on because it's hot as hell. I already got some. Okay. Alright, let me go entertain this little boy.
Thank you.
Okay, that sounded so wrong.
You.
Let me go take care of my nephew.
Go ka. Mag-aircon na ba?
It's been a while since I've seen a beach. And for you guys who know me, I like to surf. It's my thing. Let's go take a look at this. Wow. Looks really nice. Also, where's this communal restroom? Look at this. We're going to a place called Makan. In Ilocano, which is actually my native tongue, but I don't speak it very well. Makan means eat.
Let's see.
Makan. Mangan tayun. You hit Makan up, get some grubs, and then head back to Baguio City. Which reminds me, I gotta call mom tonight. You see, there's something magical about the province. It's not city-like. And it's by the La Union specifically, which is like about an hour 30 minutes away from Baguio City. It's by the beach, so it's very like, it's farmish. Like, you got the beach to the left-hand side, driving north, and then you got like farmlands where people are like growing vegetables, of course, but like
Palay.
Huh?
Palay. Wheat.
Meat?
Wheat.
Wheat. So you heard it first here. They sell buckwheat. Palay.
Rice. Rice fields.
Rice fields in the Philippines. So, are you ready for some corn? Every time I'm in the Philippines, it's like non-stop eating. It's good food though. Here is the views. This is fresh coconut juice right here. Cheers. So good. We got what we got for food.
Fried egg po with tomato onion relish and egg. Hospital dinakdakan po. Pork liver pad on the side po. Smoked olive tsaka mustard and sambal.
As you can see from the collective of Filipino dishes that we have here. Alright guys, we're fast approaching Baguio City, where it's really cold right now. I don't know, Baguio City is a little weird. It's been hot/cold. I think that's why a lot of people are getting sick. For me, it's more allergies. It happens every time I get home to the Philippines. Like, my allergies just act up. Yeah, we're almost home. Gotta drop by the hospital. We're going to Manila tomorrow night, by the way, so for a day, and then we'll be back in Baguio City the same day. Exciting times.